In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do to get rid of your search bar is hold it and wait for remove section to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it, and when it's see-through, let go. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Additionally, if you wanna see how to restore it, here's how to do it in a few seconds. Hold your display, tap on Widgets here, and then scroll to find Google app. Scroll again, hold your search bar, drag it to the proper place, and let go. Then tap on Home button. If you wish to resize it, hold it. Use those dots on the two sides and drag them to pick up perfect size of your search bar. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!